A fairytale village, the most beautiful village in the world. Even though, ladies and gentlemen, that is very subjective, so do not quote me. But then you get the gist. So I visited one of the most beautiful villages in the world, and that is Hallstatt. That is found in Austria. So Hallstatt is said to be this fairy tale village that you go to because the lakes is just really breathtaking. The houses are built very unique. The churches there are just really breathtaking from inside and outside, and you just really want to take it all in when you are there. When you're walking in the streets, you feel like you are part of like this magical, non-existent place. Trust me, I pinched myself a few times because I really wanted to figure out and understand, am I alive? Is this even real? And trust me, everything that you are seeing right now is very real. And I loved it. I loved having to walk in the streets. I loved having to be in the boat rides. I loved going up there and taking a walk and all those kind of things. Because, I mean, who wouldn't? Look at this beauty. This made me believe again. This made me believe that God exists. I mean, if He could create something like this and He could actually just give ideas to people to actually even enhance it and really build this beautiful houses and make it like just maintain it like it is maintained. Trust me. Faith renewed. I'm a believer again. I believe in the greatness of God. So let's go. Let's tour Hallstatt, people.
I want it now. I want you. 'Cause I'm Burna boy. Burna boy, yeah.
Hello, people of the internet. You haven't seen Chris in a long time. Chris, hi. Chris is here. Chris is still alive.
Chris is in the house.
Chris is still alive. And we have David and Leke.
Hi.
Hey. Yeah.
3 boys from Nigeria.
3 boys. Did I stole you in Nigeria?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're actually in Chris's hometown. Actually, you can't spell the name of your hometown. It's
Sevalchen.
Sevalchen.
Sevalchen am Attersee.
Yeah. Yeah. I actually attach it here. And by the lake right now. So we're actually on a road trip going to Hallstatt, and we're spending time here. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be amazing. So let's go.
People seeing us, they will think we are pigs.
Hello, people of the internet. I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. I am coming to you live from Hallstatt. It is said to be the most beautiful village in the whole world. Is this true, Chris? Is it like is Hallstatt the most beautiful?
I think there are 200 villages all over the
All
world
over the
who
world.
claim themselves the most
Okay, yeah,
beautiful
yeah.
village in the world.
Yeah, so
you
Hallstatt.
have to decide
Yeah.
by your own.
Yeah, apparently Hallstatt is like the most beautiful village in the world. So I am about to find out if this is the reality or someone is actually just like too proud. So yeah, I'll let you know. I'll show you everything that has to happen as far as today's concerned. I'm featuring Chris, David, and Leke, and just like a lily among thorns. So yeah. Yeah, the village is definitely beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. And believe me, when you see it from the lake, view from the lake,
Yeah.
from lakeside, yeah.
To the bone house.
Here, the address here is Churchway.
Yeah.
The Catholic Church. Wait to the church. It's getting too hot. Look, a church next to a lake with the cemetery there. It's unbelievable, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice.
So yeah, as you can see guys, with everything that I'm showing right now, it's actually really proper beautiful. So we went to the church. If you can see there's like two churches, well, Protestant and Catholic. I'm just gonna turn the camera and then show what the church is, and then you literally have like a huge lake with like amazing houses, and this whole place is just like breathtaking. This village is beautiful. I generally am sold. I don't know if it's the most beautiful in the world, but like for me it's the most beautiful village I've seen so far. But yeah, it's beautiful. And let's go. So the church is over there on the other side. So on the right you have the Catholic church, the one that I'm zooming in, and on the other side the smaller one is the Protestant one. It's literally by the lake, and most of the buildings are like, what's this? It's wood, and yeah, really good. We're probably gonna do we'll take a boat at some point so that we can be able to see just the full view of the lake and the beautiful or the beauty that is Hallstatt. I love it. I really do. Alrighty, so for a better view of the lake in Hallstatt, we have our captain.
Captain Chris.
Captain Chris.
And Chris is our driver or captain. This is the captain. And off we go.
Yeah, we just cruise along the shore here now, okay?
Alrighty.
To get a better view of Hallstatt.
It really doesn't get any better than this.
Yeah.
Now, this part right here is the one that got me saying, I do not care what anyone says. This right here is the most beautiful village in my books. So if you want to fight, I'm happy to send location. But for now, take some time and debate this with your friends. I actually would never care. Some of the videos of David, but that one was like a specific one.
Okay.
So now let's get rid of the clothes and just
Jump in. Yeah.
Clothing optional.
Yeah.
Without option.
Wow, look at this view.
Yeah.
Guys.
The glacier is over there, yeah, you can't see it from here, but in that direction.
It's like a picture from the back.
Oh yeah, that's good here. Nice view from the back here. Should I crash into them?
Yeah.
Say hi?
Adventure.
No?
Please, the rescue. Welcome to the rescue.
Yeah. We were fast though.
Is it an inflated boat? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
What did you...
Okay. Mulan is cruising.
It's cruising.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the good life.
Last boat. Everybody is on the last boat. Yeah.
Awesome.
Bring more love to the world.
Yeah.
I've played this song now.
Cool.
I play love song. Love boat now.
Chill.
But I don't have.
Captain.
So this is the highest building, I guess, over there. This is the two with the on the right side is the waterfall.
Yeah.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the river. TLC.
Oh wow.
TLC waterfall.
Alrighty, so we are out of the boat now and going up the hill. We are gonna use a cable car, and hopefully have lunch. I think we are gonna have lunch by here.
39, 49.
And
That's people from yeah, it's a monument. It's not called cable car, it's funicular. Do you know this word, funicular? This is a Look, here's the entrance to the mountain here. Okay. Stairway to heaven now.
Yeah.
Should have played a song.
Is it heaven or hell? I'm on my highway to hell or heaven.
We'll get the better view at the skywalk. Yeah. Oh my. Come on.
Sorry? What about my hair?
You like it like this?
Yeah. Why?
That's the comb it.
When last did I comb it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
I never comb my hair.
Are you Dada?
Black hair that is not meant to be combed.
Pardon?
He's asking when last did I comb my hair?
You don't comb this here.
I don't comb my hair.
No. Yeah, bye bye.
It's that.
You're done?
It's that.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's like mommy kind of thing. Mommy, waking up from the dead.
Bus follow mau jam selfie.
Stay there.
Like Hallstatt.
I want to see Hallstatt.